Hi, my name is Michael Corcelli. I am the Chief Investment Officer of Alexander Alternative Capital in Miami, Florida. We are live streaming today, and I wanted to just take a moment to speak to you about some of the stuff that happened in the stock market today. If you haven't been aware of it already, the S&P finished up two handles today, and let's take a look. Actually, the S&P finished down 2.5 handles. What am I talking about? The Dow finished down 1.5 points, but the Nasdaq finished up almost 0.6%. And you should ask, how is that possible? Why would that happen? Well, first, let's take a peek what went up and what went down. Simple laws of gravity, right? Well, it looks like information technology did really well. It looks like the financials did okay today. Looked like pharmaceutical companies, biotechnology, life science companies did okay as well. Healthcare companies. But what didn't do so well here is energy, utilities, even though Southern Company reported better than expected earnings. So let's take a look at information technology stocks. Technology, hardware, storage, peripherals. Ooh, there it is. There it is. Apple. Apple was up 6.5% today. That's what lifted the Nasdaq up 29 points, while the rest of the market was down. So, if we go deeper into Apple's earnings, we see that Apple barely beat estimates. All right, they beat by 2.45% to the upside. But the reason that Apple's stock popped today is expectations had been lowered considerably, and investors were very worried that the business was completely unraveling and falling apart. So the fact that Apple met earning expectations is a very positive thing, and it allows investors to look forward to what's happening in September. So enough with Apple. I'm sure you've heard it from a bunch of people. The next thing is oil. Oil had another down day. Let's take a peek at oil. Oil, which had been in a 97% rally from the low here on February 11th, has pulled back over 18%. I'll give you the exact number right now. 18.91%. So oil has not been doing very well, and as you can see today, it tried to go positive, and even after a over 15% pullback, it finished down 2.1%. Let's move on away from oil. Let's look at copper. Copper. What happened with copper over the last 2 days? It looks like copper fell as well. Copper not doing too well. You know what they say about Dr. Copper? Dr. Copper knows how to diagnose the real economy and has an amazing, impeccable ability to hit it right on the head. So, anyway, I would like to thank you for tuning into our live stream. I'm going to keep doing many of these. And if you're interested in macroeconomic trends, geopolitical trends, asset prices, earnings, anything to do with global macro, I suggest you tune into our channel. Also follow us on YouTube, on Twitter at Outsized Returns. We tend to share really valuable insights. Anyway, thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope to see you back on our channel soon. Bye now.